In this video, I will show you how to choose between visual options in Napkin AI to make your content more engaging. I'll start by clicking the new Napkin button and selecting the blank napkin option to open up a fresh workspace. Next, I'm pasting my text for a content creation workflow directly onto the page. To transform this text into a diagram, I hover over the text block and click the blue lightning bolt icon on the left to generate visuals. On the left side, the AI Suggestions panel appears with several different layout possibilities based on my text. I can click through these options to see how my workflow looks as a mind map, a circular diagram, or a linear list. By exploring the different suggestions, I can find the perfect visual representation for my ideas. I really like this horizontal arrow layout, so I'll click it to place it onto my canvas. Even after selecting a layout, I can still customize individual elements. I'll click on the production step and use the icon tool to find a camera graphic that represents video recording more clearly. Finally, I'll click on the entire visual to tweak the color palette, switching through the different themes until I find a green look that fits my brand. It's a simple way to experiment with different designs until the graphic looks exactly how I want it. And there you have it. That's the complete process of choosing between visual options in Napkin AI.